Baby acne is one of the most common skin conditions that develop in newborns. Acne is a temporary skin condition that develops on a baby's face or body. In almost all cases, these acne resolves on its own without treatment. Acne in newborns can be developed right after birth or after a few weeks. Usually, these acne will clear on their own with time. How to get rid of baby acne. Some moms suggest that dabbing the affected area with breast milk can help speed the healing process. There is no research to back up these claims, but many moms swear by the power of breast milk to clear up baby's acne. Breast milk has high antimicrobial properties that can help keep your baby healthy. Those same antimicrobial properties can, theoretically, do just as much good when applied topically on your little one's skin as they do when ingested. Breast milk can help ease them and help with your baby's sensitive skin. Using a finger, just dab a small amount of breast milk on your baby's inflamed skin several times a day. A great time to try this is during feeding periods. Don't squeeze, pick or scrub acne. Clean the acne area with warm water 2 or 3 times a day. Pat skin dry gently. Don't use soap or lotion on affected areas. Avoid acne or other skincare products meant for adults.